All right.
So live streams up here on the monitor, there is a slight delay because, you know, internet. But
Gotcha.
I do have somebody controlling the screen so you don't have to touch them.
Okay.
So what we're going to do is you're going to choose a category. There's 12 categories. So
Okay.
you can see 6 at a time. Ask for more if you want to see more. Now there's numbers in the categories. So choose a category, tell me a number, and then we'll get that question up on the screen for you after I say it. You got 20 seconds to answer, and you need to get 3 questions correct to win a prize because it's a short trip.
Okay, let's do Disney.
Disney, what number?
2.
Disney for 2, please. How much land does Disney own in Orlando?
Oh. 50,000 acres? I don't know.
50,000.
I have no clue.
We might have to convert that.
Yeah, I don't know. That was the opposite of what I was expecting.
Right, yeah, it's definitely not the Disney question you were expecting.
Yeah.
Right. All right, is that going to be your final answer?
Sure, let's go
It's
with
50,000 acres, correct. It is 50 square miles. Convert acres into square miles for me, please. You might be close.
Oh my gosh, yeah. Maybe.
Let's see. You got the 50 right. We will give it to you. Just because that was not a weird. That was a weird Disney question. Okay.
Yeah, I was like, huh?
Yeah. All right. Okay. So there's one correct.
Awesome.
What
Yay.
question would you do like next?
Let's go horror 3.
Horror for 3, please. Who did Wes Craven originally want to play the role as Freddy Krueger?
Oh.
What actor? Yeah, that's one of those, if you know it, you know it. If not, it's just weird.
George Clooney.
George Clooney. Yeah, that's a good
I don't know.
I like it.
Wild guess.
Is George Clooney correct?
Fingers crossed.
It is incorrect.
Yeah, figured.
What was the
David
answer?
Warner.
Okay. David Warner. Okay.
Yeah.
What question would you like next?
Let's
You have one more try to get 2 more right.
Okay. Popular 2.
Popular for 2, please. In It's a Wonderful Life, what is the name of George Bailey's guardian angel?
Oh, I should know this. Let's see, maybe, I don't know, Paul.
Paul. Okay.
I know that's not right.
Is Paul correct? That is incorrect.
Oh my
Clarence.
gosh.
Clarence.
Of course.
Well, I'm sorry. You
No, that's
did
fine.
not win the prize. We do have a consolation prize for you. You are local?
Yes.
Okay, so this is a buy one, get one free coupon to Spare Time Bowling.
Okay.
You can go bowling, get a free game on us, and take up to 3 of your friends with you. It's good for
Yeah.
4 people.
Okay, awesome.